Are you among the farmers that are complaining of not making profit from poultry farming? Where do you drop your poultry droppings? Do you throw them away? No, there are money. There is real money.
How to make money exporting poultry droppings. 12 expert tips for big profits in poultry farming. Let's go there. Are you a poultry farmer and you think that the only way you can make money in poultry agribusiness is through selling of your chickens? You are not getting it right. There are many avenues and opportunities in poultry agribusiness. That's why it's always good for you to learn it properly so that you get and maximize all the potentials, all the profit niches in poultry. You can make huge amount of money, even better from the poultry droppings than from the chicken itself or from the eggs. The poultry droppings is another good area profit comes in. So relax and watch. Do you know that poultry droppings can be worth of thousands of dollars? Many countries import poultry manure for organic farming, and it is a big business for savvy farmers. In this particular video, I will give you 12 tips to help you turn your poultry waste into export dollars. Wait, after this break, we go there. Please watch the video and make sure you share this video to reach more farmers. Give it a thumb up. And if this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe now. Hit that subscribe button and activate the bell notification so that anytime I release the update on this particular topic and any other topic in poultry agribusiness, you'll be among the luckiest ones that will get notified by this our great and wonderful app. Let's go there. Now, you the tips, then I will then explain them very well for you. Number one tip is identify export markets. Number two, understand quality standards. Number three, optimize collection and drying center. Number four, set up a very good and proper storage system. Number five, process and package your poultry droppings professionally. Number six, register your business for export licenses. Number seven, establish a reliable supply chain. Number eight, promote your product internationally. Number nine, highlight organic and nutrient benefits of poultry droppings to your customers or clients. Number 10, consider partnering with local exporters. 11, understand pricing and profit margin, most especially for international business of this nature you are entering now. And number 12, build trust and reputation. Build trust and reputation. Let's get to the explanation. I will explain everything I've said here one by one to your level of understanding so that you know that poultry dropping is another golden opportunity for you to make huge profit. In fact, over 6 figures in agribusiness. Let's go there.
12 tips to profitable export poultry droppings. 1. Identify export markets. Research countries that import poultry manures, like those focused on organic farming, including European and Middle Eastern countries. 2. Understand quality standards. Ensure your droppings meet international standards for moisture content, nutrient levels, and microbial safety, as importing countries often have strict and guidelines. Optimize collection and drying. Use a drying method to reduce moisture content, making transport cheaper and ensuring the droppings stay in optimal condition for export. Set up proper storage. Number 4. Store in a clean, dry environment to prevent contamination. Properly stored manure will retain its quality during transport. Number 5. Process and package professionally. Invest in equipment for processing and packaging your manure to make it ready for shipping. Using sealed, durable package is essential for international shipping. 6. Register for export licenses. Obtain the necessary export licenses and certifications specific to poultry manure. This will vary by country but is essential for legal exports. 7. Establish a reliable supply chain. Work with logistic companies experienced in agricultural exports to ensure your shipping or shipment reach buyers without issues. Number 8. Promote your product internationally. Use online platforms and agricultural trade shows to connect with foreign buyers. Platforms like Alibaba can help you find international customers for poultry manures. Number 9. Highlight organic and nutrient benefits of the manure. Emphasize that your product is high in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, which are key nutrients for organic farmers. Number 10. Consider partnering with local exporters. Partnering with experienced exporters can help you streamline the export process and reach new markets. Number 11. Understand pricing and profit margins. Calculate the costs involved in export logistics, packaging and compliance to price your product competitively while maintaining profitability. Number 12. Build trust and reputation. Deliver consistent quality and meet delivery timelines to build trust from your importers or from your customers. Repeat buyers are essential for a successful export business. Exporting poultry droppings is not just a sustainable choice, it is profitable and highly profitable. With these tips I've given you here, you can transport waste into a high value international product that will help you to maximize your profit even in the poultry farming you are in. And it's also going to encourage you to continue your work as a poultry farmer. Thank you once again. All these bags you are seeing here loading are going far away out of this country, and this is going into crop production. You can see how the bags are arranged properly. Each of these bags weighs about 100 kg. You can see the vehicle that is loading them. This vehicle will go up to 4 to 5 times for them to clear all the poultry droppings we have at the moment. And these droppings were generated through 500 broilers alone. So if you're a poultry farmer and you have more than 100 broilers in your farm at a time, you can generate more than this within 3 different seasons. And it is huge amount of money you are making. Not from the chicken meat, not from the egg, but from the supposedly waste. Thank you for watching this video till this level. Subscribe if you have not done so. Share this video to reach more farmers and encourage them to do more. Bye till I come your way with another interesting topic loading very soon. If you have any question regarding this topic, or you have abundance of poultry droppings in your farm, drop it on the comment section and let's chat there. to give you guide on how to go about it. Don't fail.